Hello everyone. Let's wait for a few minutes so others will wanna join. Let's wait. Hello everyone. Today's session is on our YouTube live. Okay, I shared the link. You can join over there. Due to increase of number of participants, we took a decision that we will take the invitation. We will take the session on the YouTube live. So I shared the link. You can please join over there, and you can leave this one. That will be much perfect. Audible to everyone. Today's session we are going to do at the YouTube live. Here is the link. You can please join there. From now onwards, we will do the sessions on YouTube live. Please join. And those who join YouTube live, please leave this meeting so we will able to get to know. And once you join, please share your present on the chat that you joined. Umair, Daniel, Mohammed, Feza, please join YouTube live. Steven, hey Steven, today we are going to take session on YouTube live because Zoom is not working properly and lagging a lot. So that's why we are doing session over there. So please join. I shared the link in the comment. Please have a look. Audible to everyone now? Thank you. That's great. Steven, audible to you? Feza, can you please join YouTube live? 𝗘𝗴𝗶𝗁. Yeah, that's great. Yash, today's session on YouTube Live. Please join over there. Share the link. Here's the link. So let's wait. All are moving from Zoom to YouTube. So we'll start soon. Till that, if anyone have any questions, then they can share in the comment box of YouTube so I can answer it. Yes, you can left from here and join over there. So that will be great. Yeah, link of the leaderboard will be shared after completion of the 1 week. So deadline of weekly projects. Once you will complete this whole course, whole week, then we are going to when we are going to share you the project detail. Then you have to complete within 1 or 2 days. Okay. All upcoming sessions is going to happen on YouTube Live only from now onwards. Please join here, everyone. So let's wait few more minutes. Those who are joined YouTube Live, please say hi. Attendance noted if session in. Yeah, attendance we will take care of it. We have the proper extension and system, and you have to just attend the live session and send your message hi in the comment box, and we will take the attendance. Okay, don't worry. Bala, please join YouTube live session. Any questions? Anyone have previously? Whatever has been learned till now. Anyone have any questions? Please go ahead. Happy to answer. I am good, Suman. Yeah. So weekly deadline will let you know soon. Okay. So let's start now. Prompt engineering. So we already wait for 5 to 6 minutes. So let's start with the prompt engineering. So anyone know about little bit about the prompt engineering? What is the prompt engineering? Why we are just very much, and we already take a brief of the like LLM models, foundations model on the last session. So what is the use of it? Okay, why we are using? So prompt engineering is a technique to use the foundations model and LLM models. Okay, so that's the total agenda of prompt engineering. So there are the few methods. Okay, and you have to comfort yourself. You have to comfort yourself in the prompt engineering very well. Why? I will tell you. Few months back, 1 second. The people who join the Zoom, please join the YouTube live. The session is going on the YouTube live. I shared the link in the comment. Please join over there. Yeah. So I told you last time as well that there are the few companies who are approaching us and saying we need a proper engineer who should know only about the prompt engineering, nothing else. nothing else. Why? Because they want to do most of the things in the prompt engineering, nothing else they want to do, only prompt engineering that they want. So you should know all the things related to the prompt engineering. Okay, so there are the different methods like zero shot, one shot, few shot, tree of thoughts, chain of thoughts, importance of the prompt engineering. So what is the like actual prompt engineering, we will see. And before that, a lot of people is asking me where is the course, where is the material. So you have to just go on the hidevs.xyz, click on the program, and you will scroll down. This is a program. Okay, let's go on. This is a cohort update, and every link is available here, and all the watch now. Okay, you can just click it here and you will get the Discord, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, everything is available here. So you don't have to just go here and there to search for the links. Okay, so back to the this one. Okay, so what is the importance of the prompt engineering, why everyone is focusing on the prompt engineering, what is the reason behind it? Can anyone have any knowledge? I will tell you. Okay, so there is only two ways. I told you in the last class as well. There is only two ways to use the prompt engineering, to use the LLM model. Which so you have to give the instructions. Prompt engineering is all about giving the instructions to the LLM model. Okay, so LLM models don't have their own capabilities that they will do their work automatically. No, it is not possible. Okay, it is not possible for now, maybe possible in future, but now it is not possible. So you have to give some kind of the instructions. Okay, so you have to just tell them what to do, what not to do. Okay, then they will able to know what I have to do, how I have to behave, and all these kind of things. Okay, when we are going into the any chat gpt model, okay, and gemini, and there's the other models are available. So in that case, what we are saying, give me the email of this category, give me this, and write the particular code of this function. So this is the instructions that you are giving. So you have to give the instructions. Once you will able to give the good instructions, then how well that you are giving the instruction, that's the most important thing. How well that you articulate your language, the way that you are saying to the particular person. Okay, the same way that you have to say to the models, any model, take any model, doesn't matter at all, doesn't matter. Okay, anyone can just apply the prompt engineering techniques anywhere, it's applicable everywhere. Okay, so you have to focus, you have to focus over there, like how well you are crafting your words, your instructions, your rules, everything. So once you will able to do it, then only you will able to become a good prompt engineer. Okay, and one more thing that I want to highlight here, not every model is going to structure of the prompt. No, it is not a case. Every model have the different kinds of the understanding. Every model have different kind of the mechanism to understand about the prompt. So you have to take care of that as well. So if you will able to take your particular prompt into the Gemini, then ChatGPT, then Llama 3.1, Mistral, Falcon, then you will able to know, oh, the like results are different. So that's why you have to learn all these techniques. Now let's come to the types of the prompt engineering. Okay, so they are the few shot, one shot, and zero shot. This is the three types. Majorly this is the three, but there are a lot of other types. We will jump on that as well. So when you talk about the zero shot learning, so in zero shot learning, it's very much clear that you have to use zero shot means example and learning. You don't have to give any example, you don't have to give any example, you have to directly go and talk to your LLM model. So this is known as the zero shot. When we talk about the few shot, so in the case of the few shot, you have to give the multiple examples. Once you will give the multiple examples, then they will able to understand what level of the output and input that you are going to give. Okay, so this is known as the few shot learning. And in the case of we can say few shot is there. One shot means you have to give only one example, that's it, nothing else. Okay, so this is the basic difference. I will give you the uh, like code example as well. Give me a bit. There is one notebook that I created for you guys. I am opening it. Yeah, chain of thoughts, it is prompt engineering. Yeah, so this is, see, so this is my template. Okay, template, we will talk about the template later. Okay, see, this is the examples. So this is example 1, this is example 2. So this is the proper example of the few shot learning. Okay, and when you are putting only one, which is known as one shot. When you are putting nothing, then it's come to the zero shot. Don't like make yourself uncomfortable in the case of the code. We will soon dive into the code as well. First focus on the fundamentals, how the fundamentals are working and how it's related and to the structure and the output of the each model. So we will focus on that first. Okay, so this is the things are there. Now what is the chain of thoughts, what is the tree of the thoughts? Okay, so we'll look that as well, and we'll do the practical as well of the prompt engineering today. Let's see how well that we can able to see. Yeah, we'll do little bit of the practical. Coding part will start later. Okay, so tree of thoughts. See, this is an image of chain of thoughts and tree of thoughts. Chain of thoughts means you have the sequence of thoughts, one thought, second thought, fourth thought, that you have given everything into particular chain, which is known as the chain of thoughts. Tree of thoughts in the tree structure. Okay, so this is the mostly the like most comparison is there. Now go and do the practical. Okay, now let me open my chat gpt, give me a bit. It's loading. Yeah, so this is one example which I want to show you all. See, classify the text into the neutral, negative and positive. So text is, I think the vacation is okay. Now give me the sentiment. We will copy this. Okay, and we'll apply it. Okay, so output will be the neutral. This is a zero shot, no example has been given, task has been given, question has been given, looking for answer. Now few shot. This is a few shot. A what foo is the small. This is a whole example 1 and 2. So this is the few shot prompting where you are giving the few examples. Okay, now if we talk about the chain of thoughts, so see, this is a chain of thoughts. When you are going into the standard prompting, okay, so in that case what happening, you are just giving your proper you are not giving the proper understanding. Okay, this is one example. Roger have this 5 tennis ball and you just directly give the 11 as an answer. You're not able to explain. Take a same example that we are just teaching someone as a mathematics or science. So when you are driving, okay, when you are driving a particular algorithm or the formula, so in that case if you will go step by step, versus if you will go directly and give the answer, do the particular student will able to understand? No, it will not possible. Okay, it is not possible. So you have to explain. Roger started with the 5 balls, 2 cans of the 3 tennis balls, of each in 6 tennis balls. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So this is the way that you explain. The more way that you explain, the more way the particular model will able to understand how the logics has been derived. Okay, so here you created the chains of the thought. Okay, chain of the thoughts. First, second. Okay, this is the first. Roger 1. Okay, sorry. Roger 1 is first, 2 cans second, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So this is way that you will able to get a good answer. So this is known as the chain of thoughts, where you are giving the proper understanding. Here I am explaining you each thing step by step, which is chain of thought. I am explaining you step by step. That's known as the chain of thoughts. Okay, so when you are applying in a such a way, then you are able to do it. See, this is a prompt. Now I will copy this prompt. Okay, and I will go here on my chat GPT. I will paste it and hit enter. Let's see what will happen. See, adding all odd numbers 41, the answer is false, because I have give proper chain of thoughts how the things are working. So this is particular example of chain of thoughts. Everyone understand? Anyone have any questions? Please go ahead. Anyone have any questions? Okay, chain of thoughts. The proper understanding. Chain of thoughts explain the main idea are linked together. No, I didn't get it. Okay, no issue. See, I will give you one image. There is one image of chain of thoughts that will give you the good understanding. No issue, because our agenda is to explain you very nicely, to explain you further or in the multiple ways. I have one image that will be the, let me search. This is my Google search. Hmm. See, yeah, this is good one. Few shot learning and one shot learning clear to everyone? When you are giving one example, one shot learning. When you are giving the multiple example, few shot learning. When you are giving no example in the prompt, then what will be happen? Answer. Answer please. When you are giving no example, then zero shot learning. Okay, so zero shot learning is, yes, that's great, yeah. Zero shot learning is there. No shot learning is no concept is there. Okay, no shot learning is no concept. Okay, zero shot learning, one shot learning, few shot learning, three are there. When you are giving no example, zero shot learning. When you are giving one example, one shot learning, few example, few shot learning. Simple. Okay, now let's come to the, this is where we are learning about the chain of the thoughts. How many people are from the, can I say, chain of thoughts require the few shot learning? No. Why? I will tell you. Because where each example is different in few shot learning. Okay, few shot learning, in few shot learning each example is different. So that's what that we don't want. Okay, I will tell you the most of the things. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so how many are from the mathematics background? Please comment. If you can just react as well if you want to. How many people from mathematics background? Okay, so in the case, take an example, you are teaching a particular formula or derivation to the particular your student, okay, or your brother, okay. So you are explaining how a particular aptitude kind of the test or the question derived or worked. So in that condition, there is a two approach. How the two approach is there? We'll see. Okay, so what's the approach? So Roger have five. He buys two more cans of the tennis balls. Each can have three tennis balls. How many tennis balls does he have now? So there is one way that you will give direct answer 11. Okay, this is a one way. Now there is one more person who is explaining, each step, how you derived 11. What is the way that you use to come into the point of 11? So see at the particular, I will zoom it, okay, so that will now Roger started with the five balls, two cans of the three tennis balls of each in six tennis, 5 plus 6 11. So this is the way that thoughts has been connected in a proper chain, which is known as the chain of thought. Getting my point? Now understand what actually the chain of thought is, where we are explaining each thought to make the things understandable, the same way that we are doing when we are in the school or the engineering btech. Okay, the same way that we have to do with the llm, कि भाई you have to think from that side, you have to think from step by step. So this is the way that you will able to do it. Got it, everyone? Anyone have any question now? So then please go ahead, happy to answer. I'm very much happy to repeat multiple times because agenda is very clear. You have to understand the concept. That's it. Sorry. Got it? Anyone have any questions? Please go ahead. No one. Okay. So let's jump on the practical. Let me share my screen of the practical one once again. Yeah. Here we explain everything. Okay. Step by step. Then only we will able to do it. Okay. So let's take a particular example. Okay. Um, mm, 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 mm. We'll do the practical now. And you will able to make the your particular model smarter and smarter with the chain of thoughts approach. Okay, where you have to apply the better things. Okay, we'll take examples. So there are the few examples are already available. What the fourth word in the phrase? I am not what I am. Okay, now see what is a will take. Anyone have any like idea? Then I can try that one. Otherwise, I will apply on my own. How do we know which type of prompting that we have to use? You have to use most of the all prompting and see how well that you will able to getting the results. Totally depend on that. The more way that you will able to do it, your different kind of prompt, that the more way that you will able to do it. Okay, so take an example that write uh, how to or see what is the value of 0 in 1 million. Okay, let's see what will be answer. What is the value of 0 and 1 million? See, now what I will tell, what the changes that I will do. What is the value of 0? Explain me step by step. See, this is a chain of thoughts where explaining each step one by one. Getting my point? At the first time, it explained in a single line. Now explaining each thing step by step by thoughts of chain or chain of thoughts. Okay, so that have the multiple thoughts and connected in a proper chain. So this is known as the chain of thoughts. Got it, everyone? Now if we'll go and take the like examples, like any example, that few short learning example, let me fetch out few short learning examples. So I will go with the this one. Yeah, so this is a few short learning example. See, oh sorry, my bad. So great product, 10 out of 10, positive. Didn't work very well, negative. Super helpful, worth it, positive. Doesn't work, give me the answer. So this is a great example of the few short learning. Got it? Where I give few example. Example 1, here the input, this is the output. Input, output, input, output. And I now need output where I give the input. Got it? That's great. Now we'll go for the few short learning. Okay. See, there is one more. Yeah, this is also good one. Yeah, this is good. Very good. This is a way that you will able to see, and it will save our time. This is the example of again few short learning. Read this. Input is software engineer, Python specialist at needed this one. Okay, and this is the salary range, 5-year experience. Apply by this. Output, position, specialization, company, experience required, salary range, word type, application deadline. Okay, now input. This is the input. Again, everything is given, and output. Now I gave only input and output I need. See how well has been done. Got it? Everyone on the same page? Anyone have any questions? Then please go ahead. Okay. I think no questions. That's great. So let's move. You can create a story as well. See, this is also the good example. So the more example that you will give, I will tell you why the example is needed. You are working in a company, okay, and company have the proper examples, and you need to give them the your company's data. So in the case of the every company and every project, requirement is different. Always requirement is different. There is no project, sir, which one is better with no better, always depend on the requirement. That's what that I'm saying. Always depend on the requirement, how well your defined requirement are there, that you have been cater. Okay, so every company have different projects have the different problems, and in that case you have to define your different structure. Okay, structure means I will tell you now. How many people have the knowledge of JSON object? JSON object like dictionary. Anyone? Please say yes, no. Yo, what's up? Hey, Anand, nice. Anyone else? Okay, anyone else? Okay, so most of the people know about the JSON. So in the case of the JSON, okay, in the case of the JSON, you should structure your JSON according your project need, your API need, your backend need. So in that case, how you will work, what you will do. So where the few shot learning will come into the picture. Okay, the few shot learning will come when you have the different kinds of the set. Okay, different kind of the structure of JSON. That's what that come into the. Do I need to have same structure in all example? Yes, it is mandatory that you have to keep your same structure. Okay, so uh we'll see something like this. Now give me in JSON format. Okay, so this is a JSON format, but this not applicable with the everyone who is available in the room currently. So you have to define your JSON structure. This is my JSON structure of example 1 2 1 2. So this is a way that indirectly you are giving the training to your model. Okay, with the help of the few example you are giving the training. So if you will do then what will happen, they will able to understand it. Okay, so do I have to same structure in? Yes, you have to put the same structure. That's what that my salary, and then yeah, same structure in whole example. Okay, example 1, the key and value always be the same way that we have been so key and value always be the same. Yes. Okay, so this is one thing. Now if I will tell you what is the major difference between the few shot learning and chain of thoughts, can anyone say? Can anyone try? JSON format is nothing but a dictionary format. Okay, dictionary format which we use in the Python. So that's it. JSON is that. If you don't know about the Python or data science, then you can go and check out the proper bootcamp of the data science, which is available on the YouTube. You can learn from there. So few short, we give different examples. Yes. And what is the chain of thoughts? In the chain of thoughts, like we conclude to desire output, may the chain of thoughts is extended version of few short learning. Yes, we can say the more advanced version. Why advanced version? Because you are explaining each. So I will tell you, you can mix chain of thoughts and few short learning together. That's the beauty that you can do it. Okay, so what you will do, you will take a first example and apply your few short learning logic over there. In second example, in second example of few short learning, you will apply chain of thoughts. Third example, chain of thoughts. Like this, what will happen? You have the few short learning, okay, and each few short learning of the example, you have chain of thoughts. So this is the way that you create a very good prompt, and that will give you the good result. So this is the beauty of understanding the fundamentals, so which is very much important. Got it, everyone? Anyone have any questions? So we'll ask here, give me a example of a chain of thoughts. Okay, okay, so this is now, give me a example to solve a maths problem by using chain of thoughts. step by step. Got it? So this is a way the chain of thoughts will work. Now what we will do, we will do something new today. Okay, that I also don't apply before that. So now give me a example. Give me a example of of a few short learning with each example will be a chain of thought. See, this is your chain of thoughts. One, this is your chain of thoughts. Two, and this is your chain of thoughts. Three. Okay, and if we will take whole text as a single, we will known as a few short learning. Got it? Screen is not shared. Wait. Okay, I will share again. Thank you for this. Yeah, now visible. See, this is a prompt that I given. Visible to everyone? Please reply. Screen is okay. Thank you. Yeah. So I give me the example of few short learning with each example will be the chain of thoughts. So now this is chain of thought. Okay. This is also chain of thought. Okay. This is also. And now if we will add all four in a single text, then it is known as the few short learning. Got it? So this is something new. To be honest with everyone, इससे पहले मैंने भी कभी नहीं किया था ये. To be honest. Okay. Now give me the example. I will do without chain of thoughts of each example. Okay. And we will able to compare it. See. Now I think you are able to get it. What is the chain of thoughts and what is not chain of thoughts? This is like few short, simple, but we combine today. Something new we today like tried. We combine few short with a chain of thoughts. Got it? Now what we will do, we will copy these examples as a chain of thoughts. Okay. And I will put it here and paste it here. Now I will write format below content in a proper prompt which I can use for my project. Now see, this is a prompt. Now this is your prompt that you can use it. Currently, it is not the proper prompt way that it is doing. It is not a proper way, and I will not give you that prompt. With the help of you will able to crack it the prompt, proper prompt from the chat gpt, that I cannot be give you because that will be the part of your assignment. So that will not a good thing. So this is all about it is. Got it till now? Anyone have any questions? Please go ahead if anyone have any questions. clear. That's great. That's my boy. Okay, now let's come to the project part. Okay, how well that and what the project that you have to do. Okay, let me share. So this is week one. Okay, prompt engineering, benchmarking. Yeah, so there is some people who are asking me what are the different use cases of the benchmarking. Okay, so anyone have any doubts about the benchmarking? Last class, no doubts. Okay, that's great. So first I will introduce you the guidelines. Okay, what is the guidelines to submit the project? So you have to create a GitHub repository with the name of this exact same. Okay, and it should be public. Okay, sorry, it should not be public. Okay, and you have to share with the HiDevs community. Okay, username is HiDevs community. Okay, and email ID is hidevscommunity@gmail.com. And you have to create a folder name with the week, a new directory of folder, and your project of the every week will be go over there. And you have to create me as well. Okay, all these things that you have to do. Now what is the project of this week? So this is the 5 projects of this week. Anyone can choose anyone can choose any of one project from all these 5 projects, and you have to complete. And after that you are completing, you have to upload it, and will share the form as well where you have to submit, or I will put the form here soon. Okay, currently we are just looking something like good, like way to create the form. Okay, where what we include, what not to. So we will put the form here, and once we will get your form, we can benchmarking to compare in a different. I will come on that point. Let me complete. Okay, once we will get your weekly assignment, those people who complete their weekly assignment and share and submit the form, who are applicable for the leaderboard. Okay, who will be the applicable for the leaderboard. And once they will complete their particular like project of that particular this week, then an interview will be going to be happen with our AI agent. If you will not submitting, if you are not submitting your project, then you are not applicable for the interview. Got it? How the end product will look like totally depend on the project that has been given to you. Sir, we have the doubt during the course of the project what to accept. Sir, if we have the doubt during the course of the project, yeah, we have the session on Friday as well. So you have to look into everything, and we have the doubt class on every Friday. We'll talk, okay, and connect and see how the things will work. Okay, what to do more than one project? If you are feel yourself that you can be do good quality of the project, then I am like kind of very much happy. But my simple agenda is focus on the quality rather than the quantity. Do your best for one project. Okay, give us the example of the repo also. What technology do we use for first week? You don't have to use any technology. You have to just give the prompt, nothing else. If we'll go and check the assignment, I will tell you. Develop a text generation tool that produce a personalized blog post. Use the prompt engine technique to generate a customized outputs based on the keywords or specific tone. No Python, no LangChain, no Llama Index, nothing that you have to use in this project. Only you have to use the prompt engineering, and I will take that prompt and put into the my own system and try it how well it is working. Got it? Some major project, major topics to expect during the interview, how to prepare regarding the same. Yeah, that's a good question, Nandar Singh. Whatever you have been learned in week one, that only ask in the interview. And that interview I'm not going to take taken by the our AI agent. Okay, so you only want us to write prompt? Yes, you only have to write the prompt. And I will tell you one super duper thing, okay, that will help you a lot. in lot of companies as well, where you have to write the system prompt. Okay, so this is the huggingface.co/chat. Okay, got it. Now you have to go settings. Okay, and you can choose whatever the model that you want to choose, and you can put your own system prompt here. So you have to try, you have to put your system prompt here, and then system prompt means you are saying your tool or your LLM model will work same to same like that, nothing different. Okay, whatever that you will put into the system prompt, that will happen. I will give you the example. This is very good. You are a superhero. You don't know anything else about superhero. You can fly, but you can't run. If someone asks you about any other than your powers, then you don't know, and and decline their request. So this is a system prompt, and I'm going to activate this one. Where is activate? Okay, this is model. I will activate here. Yeah. One second, something went wrong. Models. This is models. Okay. I'm using this one now. Okay. So Llama 3 settings. Llama 3.81b is active. Okay, so we have to go here, models. I will use Mistral. So now current model is Mistral. Go into the setting, and I will put here. Yeah, this is active, and this is my system prompt. Okay, I will close. Now I will ask, hi, see, who are you? This is the magic of the system prompt. Do you, oh sorry, you use the, got it? See how well the system prompt is? See, so we'll change this again. Settings, Mistral, paste. Okay, save, and sorry, Mistral na? Mistral. Okay, now I will go settings. Sorry, settings done na? Models and Mistral. Now, hi, who are you? I am Superhero X. Do you know who is Salman Khan? Taking too much time. Let's wait. We can do system prompt in ChatGPT as well. Okay. So I will try to search. It's taking too much time. We'll try one more time. See, got it? So this is the power of the system prompt. You can go and give your details. Then that model will answer on the basis of on your own only. So this is what that you have to do. You have to do the project. You have to create the system prompt, apply here, and after that see how well that the things is working, and then apply for the project. Okay. Any questions? And please go ahead. Sorry. Okay, then I think that's it. Okay, so one more thing that people are not posting on the LinkedIn. I request to everyone again, please post on the LinkedIn on the daily basis whatever that you are studying and whatever the sessions is going on. Tag me and Hides our page. We will like and comment your one, and our people and our companies will able to know about. Got it? Which of the link where you are inputted, who are submitting? Sorry. What is the link of the one which you input? So we are submitting our prompts, which is text.pdf file or a project, right? You can take your project in the any file. That doesn't matter at all. And the link is this one. Okay. You can just give the anyone. Okay. That's not a big issue. So again, I'm saying go on the LinkedIn and do it, okay, and post it, okay. So my network will able to get to know that you are looking for the job, and that will helpful for everyone. Got it, team? Anytime. Let's meet on the Friday. And one more thing that I want to ask you that our team is thinking of. Do you? I will do the poll. Do you want same session in the so this is a poll, so we are thinking of it. If you, what do you think? Do you want the same session in Hindi language as well? Okay, no, yes, yes. Any deadline? Yes. uh Before Sunday you have to complete the project. Okay, so it's 50-50. Okay, okay, then we'll see, because I am getting a lot of messages, so that's why I'm asking. Okay, no issue, let's see what will happen. Okay, then bye everyone, take care, good night. Okay, we'll meet again on Friday. Okay, and anyone have any doubt, so like you can just connect on Discord. I am available on the Discord mostly 16 hours. I am available on the Discord, so you can ask me whatever the question that you have. Okay, then bye, take care.